Hey y'all, welcome to A Country Girl's Attic. If you'd like to learn how to make this mason jar Valentine's Day farmhouse sign, stay tuned. Hey y'all, today I'm going to be making a mason jar Valentine's Day farmhouse sign. I'm using a mason jar that my son gave me from Kirkland's a few years back. I love this. It's really sweet. I love the sand, but I'm going to take a few of the pieces off today and I'm going to flip it over and be using the back side. I'm also going to be using some paper lace doilies from the Dollar Tree. Like I said, I'm just going to flip it over and I'm going to start removing the old jute twine that's on here. It's becoming weathered and frayed, and I'm just going to be replacing this today. I'm also going to be adding a little more, as you'll see a little later on, but I just love how this whole idea turned out. I think you're really going to like it. And here's the finished product. I just added a burlap bow. You can see that I put jute twine around the rim and added the bow with the little rose flower. Those rose flowers were off of a thrift store wreath that I had thrifted and decided to keep. I'm so glad I did because they turned out so cute on this. I added the little paper doilies. I simply took a chalk pen and wrote Happy Valentine's Day, y'all, on the paper hearts. And I just love how it turned out. I think it turned out really pretty.